Hello, this is the trade site U.S. stocks and futures market preview and domestic economic data roadmap for the week beginning Monday, the 23rd of April, ending Friday, the 27th. Hope we had a good trading week this last week. It was pretty decent overall. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. Started to go up Monday, Tuesday, stalled out Wednesday, came back Thursday, Friday, pretty much as you'll see when we get to the intraday action. Net for the week, not much there. Let's go through the major indices, then we'll talk about the intraday action, then we'll look at the data that's coming out in the week ahead. So crude oil made new highs this week, closed on Friday at 68.05, almost to 70 at one point. That'll hurt at the pump coming up soon. Gold down at $13.30, big cup and handle here, waiting for a potential breakout still. S&P cash index loses back 23 on Friday. Like I said, basically gained and then lost for the week. Ended up not much. Nasdaq 100 down 107.14 on Friday after being down a little on Thursday. Filled the gap from Tuesday. SOX down 15, almost to new lows for the last couple of months. Biotech's down 27.98. Also hanging, well, not near new lows, but it certainly isn't anywhere near highs. The VIX gains 92 cents to 1688. The trend at 1.05. Because that big 3.0 number dropped off, though, this is what's interesting. The 10-day moving average of the trend is at 0.89. Remember, when that 10-day moving average goes under 0.85, that is a sell signal on the market. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got some really low numbers here, but if we were to get basically another low reading under 0.7 or so on Monday, that would probably give us that signal. So just be aware of that. Now those big numbers have dropped off. That's really important. Nasdaq volume again 1.9 billion almost every day this week except Monday where it was lighter. Advanced decline ratio on the Nasdaq plus 197, and on the New York negative 960. So a lot more stocks down than up on the New York. Google loses $12.13, kind of mid-range for the last 6 months. Apple down 7, got crushed down 708, got crushed over the last 2 days. Big volume on that slip on Friday. Netflix down $4.93, hanging near highs. Amazon down 29.42, it's not too far from highs in that case. Tesla down 9.84, nothing great there. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, loses 86 cents. Goldman Sachs down $2.21, kind of mid-range for the last 6 months as well. All right, let's take a look at the intra-week action. So here's 10-minute candles on the broad market. You can see some Monday morning. You can see the back end of the prior Friday. Monday morning, we gapped up flat and then pushed a little higher. Tuesday, gapped up again, inched a little higher. Wednesday was pretty much a flat opening and a flat day. Thursday, we gapped down, did not fill that gap, headed lower by a little bit. And then Friday opened pretty flat and sold off, didn't quite fill the gap from Monday, but we filled the gap from Tuesday. If you look at the Nasdaq side, here's the Nasdaq Futures. This one's interesting. So we gapped up Monday morning, almost filled that gap, and then closed a little higher. Tuesday, the bigger gap up, got the 13 sell signal right at the close. Wednesday, wiggled a bit, tried to come back up. Then we get the gap down sideways for the most part, and then all the way back and almost filled that gap from Monday. So the net for the week is not much on either side, but we did get some good movement along the way. All right, so let's start to take a look at the economic data that's coming out for the week ahead. There's a big number on Friday to be aware of. And that, well, let's go through it all here. On Monday, we've got flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI. On Tuesday, existing home sales at 10. On Tuesday, the housing price index, consumer confidence, new home sales, Richmond manufacturing index. A lot of big numbers there. The consumer confidence is a big one. Crude oil is the only number on Wednesday, no big deal. On Thursday, we've got durable goods, the unemployment claims, that's the weekly number, the goods trade balance, preliminary wholesale inventories, natty gas, and then on Friday, here's that big one, the first look at GDP for the first quarter. That is an important number. Employment cost index at 8:30 and revised University of Michigan sentiment at 10. That's it. So, some big things to look forward to this week. Obviously, there's news out in the world all the time with the president and whatnot, so you never know what you're going to get. We do have some big earnings still coming out this week, so keep that in mind. And then we're heading into the end of April already, heading towards May, and summer comes up quick when you get to June. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading week.